To avoid future payment blocks on Venmo, it's important to follow certain guidelines and best practices. Here is a simple step-by-step guide to help you ensure smooth transactions. Step 1. Use your real name. Always use your legal name when creating your Venmo account. This helps establish your identity and reduces the chances of being flagged for suspicious activity. Step 2. Verify your account. Complete the verification process by linking your bank account or credit card. This adds a layer of security and credibility to your account, making it less likely to be blocked. Step 3. Avoid unusual transactions. Refrain from making large or unusual transactions that are inconsistent with your typical spending patterns. Sudden spikes in activity can trigger payment blocks. Step 4. Follow Venmo S User Agreement. Familiarize yourself with Venmo S User Agreement and community guidelines. Adhering to these rules will help you avoid actions that could lead to account restrictions. Step 5. Keep your account secure. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. By following these steps, you can minimize the risk of encountering payment blocks on Venmo. Staying informed and practicing good account management will lead to a smoother experience.